in Somerset. I've arrived looking around Langport,
which is apparently the jewel of the southwest.
It is so picturesque here. All these old houses and cottages everywhere. I think I'm starting to see the Somerset Langport style here with this brick and the sandstone window frames. I am so drawn to this house. Tudor House, built 1775. The sound of traffic all around. I want to see if I can find who lived here in previous censuses and maybe the 1939 register. In Langport everywhere are these banners. They're everywhere. There's one there. There's more over there. A blue enamel street sign with white letters. The Hill. So I'm running out of daylight to get to all the places I want to see, and I've only got today here. And we can see the moon is there in the sky, and over there on the other side with the birds singing is a beautiful sunset, a Somerset sunset, a huge orange sun, absolutely beautiful. But with the sunset coming, it means there's going to be very little daylight very, very soon. So let's get to the church and have a look around. And here we are. All Saints Church, Langport. Hunky punks and the best stained glass in Somerset. What hunky punks? Look at all the material of this church. Really long, wide pieces of stone here. And up there are all sort of gargoyles on the top there. Look at the moon there. Wow. I'm in the old graveyard now. Other gravestones here. What does that say? Can't quite read it. Look at this big old tomb here with the stones at the end, coats of arms. I'm assuming these are quite notable people. Oh, look at this one here. Thomas Paul, right, born 1857, died 1820. And his wife, born 1857, died 1820. They died very near each other, didn't they? I wonder what they died of. This one's really caught my eye, and I'm going to try and find out a bit more about these people. And the sun has disappeared now, completely set on the horizon. And I'm going back down the hill towards the river. More of the flags over there. I can get up to the river through this way. The last thing before we pack up. I've always loved the water, and when I was here earlier, there were two people on paddle boards. There's a bench up here. Nathan Harmer Taylor, 1992 to 2020. I guess his family, though, or the people who knew him, must come and sit here and think about him and look across this river Parrett. Maybe they sat here and spent time together, going in the river.
It's a lovely place to sit and remember someone.
You can continue the story with the next edited episode. Or watch the full unedited and uncut version of this episode. Or what about watching this new family history story? Click here to subscribe to the channel to find out about all future episodes. Thanks for watching.